18 months. Same system, every single day. This is attempt number 3. It's the one still running. Runs 1 and 2 both collapsed in week 5. Same wall. Twice in a row. Not because I got more disciplined. Because I stopped asking discipline to do a job it can't do. 2 failed systems taught me the plan was never the actual problem. The problem was never the plan. It was the order I tried to fix things in. Today I'm giving you the order that actually works. Biology first, system second. Last video, I showed you why your dopamine baseline makes discipline feel impossible. I said lowering that baseline was half the problem solved. Here's the other half, right now. Most men treat a system like a design problem. Research it, optimize it, launch it. The plan is usually fine. Execution collapses within 6 weeks. Almost always. Every single time. The real diagnosis isn't willpower. It's software installed on corrupted hardware. A dopamine-depleted, cortisol-elevated brain doesn't encode new habits well. That's where most men start. Try harder. Want it more. Find your why. None of that touches actual brain chemistry. The system didn't fail. It was attempted in the wrong order, from the very start. 2 assumptions sit underneath every system. Motivation on demand. A brain ready to encode. Neither one is true for most men once they pass 30. Neither. Not one. So the fix can't start with the plan. It has to start with the brain running it. 1890. A physician publishes a 2-volume study of the human mind. His argument is radical for its era. Habits aren't character. They're biological patterns. The century that follows ignores the biology completely. Talks about grit and character instead. The 1960s produced the most cited habit statistic in history. 21 days, they claimed. Its origin? One surgeon watching patients adjust to a new appearance. Never tested as behavior science. Cited as fact for 6 decades straight. Then, the scanner finally caught up. Habit isn't stored in the prefrontal cortex. It's stored deeper, in the basal ganglia. Once a behavior is habitual, that region goes quiet. The brain compresses it into one unit. The 1890 observation was correct all along. The proof just took 100 years to arrive. Cue. Routine. Reward. That's the whole loop the productivity industry sells you. But the brain builds its own reward signal. Only if dopamine can actually register it. A depleted baseline means the loop runs. The brain just never notices it happened. Once encoded, the basal ganglia compresses the whole sequence into a single automatic unit. Experienced practitioners don't decide to train. They just go. The decision happened once. The real number isn't 21 days. Strike that number. It never was true. Median, 66 days. Range 18 to 254, depending on the behavior. The calendar was always the wrong variable. Automaticity, no decision required, is the right one. A recalibrated dopamine system is what lets the basal ganglia store new behavior properly. Same cortisol mechanism from 2 videos ago. Now it's suppressing the region that starts new behavior. Cortisol first, dopamine second, systems third. The order was always the actual point. That's the biology. Now here's what it costs you when the system ignores it. High performers build elaborate systems. The complexity feels like rigor. It's actually fragility. 7 steps means 7 failure points. 1 breaks, and the whole chain stalls out. Burnout isn't working too hard. It's a system generating more friction than it removes. Every action starts from zero. Nothing compounds. The exhaustion is decision fatigue, not real overwork. The most dangerous system is the one built for your best day. That's maybe 20% of days. I've seen men build beautiful systems. Then, life happens. It was a plan written for someone else. The system that runs on your worst days is the only one that reaches the basal ganglia. So here's what actually held, for 18 months straight without a single redesign. 3 components held for 18 months. First, a single morning anchor, one fixed action. Not a whole routine, one action, simple enough to survive travel, illness, or bad sleep. Everything else attaches to that one action. Complexity here is the failure mode, not the fix. Second, friction removal. The evening arranges the morning, so it needs 0 choices. The gear placed the night before. Environment arranged, so the easiest action is the one I actually want. I write 1 line in this journal every morning. Not motivation, just a mark that the anchor happened. 3. Never miss twice. That's the only consistency rule I follow. Not streaks, not perfect weeks. Shame after a missed session spikes the same cortisol that makes tomorrow harder to start. This rule kills that loop. Every miss becomes data, not failure. Only the log moves. High performers tend to build overcomplicated systems. The complexity feels like rigor. It's actually fragility. A 7-step system has 7 failure points. Every extra step is one more place to break. Burnout isn't caused by working too hard. It's caused by a system that creates more friction than it removes. The exhaustion people feel isn't overwork, it's decision fatigue, wearing the costume of effort. The most dangerous system is the one built for your best day. Best days are maybe 20%. The system built for your worst day is the only one consistent enough to actually encode. The complexity was never proof of commitment. It was the reason the system couldn't survive one bad week. 18 months, continuous, no gaps. Not because I suddenly had more discipline than the first 2 attempts. Because this system was built for low motivation days, not high motivation days. So it runs regardless. The system that actually works isn't the most sophisticated one you've ever carefully designed. It's the one that runs when you don't feel like it, because it never asks how you feel. Next, I'll show you exactly where this actually lives first. Not in a training plan, in the way I eat. Because that's where a system either survives or dies. Every single day, at the table. One more thing I've learned the hard way. More system is never automatically more results. The system is just the container. What you put inside it, that's a longer conversation. It's coming. For now, go build the floor first. Everything else attaches to it.